there is signal, and there is noise. Drawn to face off against each other, each trying to overpower the other, in epic battle. Forged of 7 unique frequencies. From the largest and strongest, down to the smallest and weakest. The signal or the noise with the strongest matching frequency wins the face-off. Watch and learn. Red frequencies match. Red noise is strongest. Noise wins, and signal is next. Both reds and both yellows match. The matching yellows are stronger than the matching reds. Yellow signal is strongest. Nix the noise. Both are equal in frequency and strength. Both are nixed. No matching frequencies. Draw another noise to the face-off. The strongest matching frequencies are equal. But, noise has more frequencies and wins. Signal is nixed. Very good. You're learning to see the pattern. Let's try a few more. Can you spot the winner? Signal wins. Signal wins, again. Both are equal, in every way. Both are next. You're becoming a true adept. Last try. Noise wins. Keep practicing. Victory comes to those who see the deeper pattern. And so it continued, until the forging of the artifacts.